out this pre-owned 2021 Honda Civic Sport. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine with front-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Honda has less than 66,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 29 miles per gallon in the city and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.